So welcome students. In this question, we're given that a function f is defined from real numbers to some set s. And f of x is sin x minus root 3 cos x plus 1. And this function is onto. If that is so, what is s? So what is the meaning of onto function? The range is equal to codomain. The range of this function has to be equal to the codomain. And what is the codomain? S. S is the codomain. So if this function has to be the codomain, if this function has to be onto, the codomain should be exactly same as the range of this function. So we just need to find the range of this function. You get the value, you get the interval of s. So what is the range of this function? It's a very straightforward function. Sin x minus root 3 cos x plus 1. This function is of the form a sin x plus b cos x. So what are the maxima and minima of this function? Plus or minus root of a square plus b square. That is equal to plus or minus 2. So this part lies between minus 2 and plus 2. So if you add 1 to this, the interval becomes minus 1 comma 3. So this range of this function is minus 1 to 3. Hence, s has to be equal to minus 1 to 3 for this function to be onto. Thank you.